Hello, we're going to talk about the print continuity editor. Now over here in the lower right hand side you'll see the print continuity editor, which shows us when we print out the show what the print continuity will look like. Let's pull that off so it's a little easier to see. Now you'll note over here that it is still hand inputted by anyone who's ever proofed a show. And you'll note that it follows the same conventions as with the metadata markings, which allow you to bold and put things in the center, and also being able to tell which dot to have. Now, if anyone's ever proofed a show, you know it's rather arduous because you have to go back and forth between the two. But what we've done here is we've allowed the editing to happen in line. For instance, let's say we notice that there was an error in here. I'll notice, wait a minute, this says forward march, high step, east, west, and this one says east, west, north, south. If I take a look at the continuity over here on the side, I'll notice it says north, south, east, west, and this says east, west, north, south. So let's go ahead and edit that. This should be north, south, east, west to Stunt Sheet 5, Stunt Sheet 3, and that then mark time remaining. Great. So what I can do now is I can save this. When I close it, well, it's gone. I can always bring back that by going to my view and unhiding it. But maybe I want to just put it off to the side here so it's not in the way. Great. Now I'll note that because the show has a print continuity, when I go to print the show, or maybe I preview the show, I can see that this continuity is what is written here at the bottom. Great, that looks to be in order. And that's the print continuity editor. You still do import continuity. For instance, if I start off with a show that has no continuity, let's open up the Arena Rock show here. I'll note that if I show continuity, I have nothing. So in this case, I would need to input a continuity file to this show in order to start this off.